And guys, how's everybody doing today on this Thursday? Hopefully everybody's doing wonderfully blessed. Had a great day, most importantly, a safe day. This is your boy Jaime G. We're about to get into some Doge and some overall crypto market news. Now, if you're new to my channel and that sounds good to you, maybe you can help your boy out with that YouTube algo and consider to like and subscribe to the channel. Maybe leave a comment down below or even maybe leave a dislike. It's all good. Or don't do nothing. I just appreciate you coming by and checking my channel out as a viewer. None of this is ever financial advice, guys. It's just me sharing my thoughts and opinions. Nothing more, nothing less. Please never take it as financial advice. Are you guys ready to get it on this Thursday evening? Your boy's ready. So let's just dive right in and see what's crackling with these crypto markets. All right, guys. Bitcoin is sitting at 64,991 with 33 cents. It's up 1.20% for the day. Not too bad, right, guys? We're still hovering around that 65K. Yes, we dipped down to about 63,000 and some change, but it recuperated, right? I think that was a good thing anyways, guys, right? A little quick consolidation, and now we're, hovering around 65K. So I think that's a good thing. The overall markets are in the green, guys, as you can see, and as we know, we like green. Why? Because that's the color of dinero. All right, guys, enough of Bitcoin. We'll get into some overall crypto news here in a minute. Let's dive into some Doge news, or Doge. Doge is currently at 26 cents, guys. We are up 1.93% for the day. 24-hour low is 25. 24-hour high was 27 cents. Market cap is at $34.88 billion, and volume in the last 24 hours is at $1.59 billion. All right, guys, enough of the stats. Let's dive right into the charts. If I can get my chart over here. All right, see what's going on. All right, guys. So, I always like to look at the daily chart. Okay, guys, that's what we're looking at here. Now, as we can see, this yellow line, that is our support trend line. Okay, so at least we got that going for us, right, guys? We have this support trend line that we have not dipped below, right? Nonetheless, it's been holding us, right, guys, for past about, I don't know, I'm going to say a month or so, right? We have not dipped any lower than the support line, right? Which is good, right? Because we continue to stay above it. We have bounced off of it a few times here and there, but nonetheless, we have stayed above it, right? In my opinion, that's one bullish thing going. But I will say now, on the flip side, now bearish, we have flipped the trend, guys. The 21-day moving average, right, which is the red line you see here on top, that was our support. Now we have dipped below it, and it is acting as our resistance for now. So technically, that is bearish when it comes to technical. So you know what I mean? With that's kind of bearish, right? So we got bearish and bullish technicals. You know what I mean? For you to decide and decipher where you stand. On me, I'm still bullish, right? I think Dogecoin is going to shoot to the moon. I think we're just consolidating. We continue to print higher highs and higher lows still, as I'll show you here on the chart. All right. I'm going to get my doodler. Let me change my writing here. We'll go to pink. All right, guys. So as you can see here, let me make my lines fatter here for you guys. So, you know what I mean? Ever since over here where it says FX Empire, right? Ever since back here, guys. Higher highs, higher lows, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. We did a little higher high right here, little higher low. Right now, as you can see, we have two daily green candles, and hopefully we're going to create some higher highs and shoot this way and break our level of resistance, which is coming in at 27 cents. Okay, so the 21-day moving average, guys, is resistance, and that is at 27 cents, and support is now the 50-day moving average. That is coming in at 25 cents. Okay, so 25 cents support, 27 cents resistance. We're still continuing to form higher highs and higher lows, which is bullish, right, guys? So like I said, we got some bullish and bearish technicals going on the chart as far as the daily chart goes. Okay, guys, so that's what I wanted to show you on the charts, guys. Keep it pretty easy breezy, beginner friendly. Now let's dive into some overall crypto, not crypto rather, but some Dogecoin news first, and then we'll dive into some Bitcoin news or crypto market news. Alrighty, if my stuff quit acting up here every time I'm all right, so we'll get into this article here first. Now it says Elon Musk says Dogecoin upgrade is important, and I agree, guys. Why? Because we need cheaper transaction costs, and we need faster scalability, right? We need faster transaction times. Now it says Elon Musk has already shared his take on Dogecoin's most important upgrade, calling it important in a new tweet. The billionaire commented came shortly after the much hyped release of the Dogecoin Core 1.14.5 upgrade, right? It says, as reported by US Today, the hotly anticipated upgrade finalized fee reduction for all users. It says relay defaults were introduced in the previous minor version of the software, which was the first phase of the process. The goal was to prepare the network for the most recent upgrade. Now it says during the second and final stage, the default fee rate of 0.01 Doge has been set in the official Dogecoin wallet, and third-party wallet providers are likely to follow suit. Musk, who recently said that he would become the first Dogecoin trillionaire, opinioned that the K9 cryptocurrency would be able to win hands down against Bitcoin with significant performance improvements. All right, guys, and the devs have been working on this steadily, trying to improve, make improvements, right, guys, to Dogecoin, right? And they have, right? And they're still working on it right now, right? And this goes to show you right here, right? And it's very important. It is, right? So, all right, guys, now let's dive into another article here. Now it says, how much would $1,000 be if you had invested in Shiba, Doge, or Solana? Right now, if you would have put $1,000 into Shiba, right now you would be sitting at a whopping mind-blowing 756 million freaking dollars, guys. Just imagine. If you were to put just $10, you would be a freaking millionaire off 10 fucking dollars. That's insane, guys. Much props to the people that invested in the Shiba Inu, man. I'm hating right now. I'm mad at you guys. You know what I mean? Because I had invested early and I sold and then I rebought back, right, guys? So, and yes, I've made a little bit of profit, but nonetheless, nothing near what I could have, right? I bet a lot of us have said that. All right, guys. Now, Dogecoin. Now, if you would have invested $1,000 a year ago, that would be a whopping $92,000. That's a freaking huge investment, guys. Only in crypto. Now, Solana would have been $130,000, guys. Just imagine if we would have invested in all three of these. Holy crap! Be freaking off of just three, guys. And it goes to show you there is thousands of cryptos. Right, so we can become crypto millionaires, guys, and it is feasible and possible, man. You just got to continue to invest. You know what I mean? That's why I keep telling you guys, man, it's early. We need to continue to invest, guys. Continue to invest into crypto. It's not financial advice, man, but god dang, I hope you guys get it through your head. Okay, now I'm going to just read this article. I'm not going to read the title. Now it says, U.S. inflation, 3 decades high. Surge provides tailwind for Bitcoin. Now, I'm not going to read the article, guys, right? But it says the Labor Department's Consumer Price Index is closely tracked by Bitcoin traders because the cryptocurrency is seen by some investors as a hedge against inflation. Now, this is huge, guys. Now, we haven't had it rise this high in 30 years, guys. Inflation came to a freaking 30-year all-time high. This is insane, right? This is good, in my opinion, and bullish for Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. You know what I mean? Because people look at it as a hedge against the dollar, against inflation, right? And a lot of people like Bitcoin now more than they do gold, right? Gold was like the number one hedge against inflation, but a lot of people now, even hedge funds and institutional investors, are investing more into Bitcoin than they are into gold. You know what I mean? So this is good for crypto, right, guys? So that's why I wanted to just briefly touch on that. You know, where am I at here? From exchanges. Oh, here we go, guys. Here's another article. Sorry. Thank you if you're still with me. Come on. It says Zimbabwe may be the next country to embrace Bitcoin as legal tender. Now, why is this important, guys? Right now, this is important, right? Because I truly believe El Salvador, they started a trend, right, by making Bitcoin legal tender in El Salvador. Now, there is other countries in South America that are talking about possibly doing it, right? But now you have, a country in Africa, right, guys? Now, El Salvador, they are the trendsetters, right, for this, right? And many other countries are going to follow suit. Maybe not right away, but you'll see, right, in time, other countries are going to follow suit, and it's just a matter of not if, but when. You know what I mean? So that's why I just wanted to briefly share this with you guys, right? This is in Cointelegraph if you want to read the whole article, right? Now, where's my other one? Dang, guys. Oh, here we go. Sorry. Alrighty. Now it says users still withdraw Bitcoin from exchanges as new all-time highs look imminent. Now it says the amount of Bitcoin on exchanges is the lowest in over 3 years. The last time this little Bitcoin was held on spot exchanges was during the 2017 bull run. Right, guys? Now, this is huge. Why? Because this just goes to show you people are still hodling. You know what I mean? People are not they're not, yes, people are taking profits, right? People are always going to take profits, guys, right? But there is still a lot of long time hodlers, right, who think that the price is still going to continue to go up. Like we have Plan B saying that we're going to hit over 130K by the end of next month. You know what I mean? That is huge, guys. That's like what, over $60,000 from where we're at now. That is freaking huge, guys. Anyways, so I just wanted to share that with you guys, right? And just briefly touch on this. Why? Because it shows people believe that the price is still going to go up. I myself agree as well, and I don't think that the bull run is over just quite yet. I truly believe that we have about another 6 months, and that's what Plan B says as well. I'm going to close out with this article right here, guys. This article from Plan B now says, here's when Bitcoin could overtake gold and real estate, according to quant analyst Plan B. Right now, says quantitative analyst Plan B is predicting when the market cap value of Bitcoin could overtake the more of that more traditional assets such as gold and real estate. Right now, it is believed. Now he says, at halving occurs when the reward of mining Bitcoin is cut in half. He says he believes that the next two halvings will take place in 2024 and 2028. Plan B then sees Bitcoin's market cap reaching somewhere between 10 and 100 trillion. So by the end of by the latest, guys, 2028, he sees the market cap of Bitcoin between 10 and 100 trillion. Now, that's not crypto. He's talking about just Bitcoin itself. That is huge, right? And he says somewhere between gold and real estate, 10 trillion and 100 trillion roughly, right? So that's where he's saying he sees Bitcoin going, right, guys? And that's where gold and real estate is at, right, guys? So that's why he's saying he sees it surpassing real estate and gold and being basically the number one asset that is out there. You know what I mean? So not number one asset, rather, but hedge against inflation, rather, if you will. All right, guys, man, this is what I had for you on this Thursday evening. Hopefully it was informative and insightful. If it was, please consider to like and subscribe. You guys stay safe and stay blessed, guys. Until tomorrow, your boy is out. Peace.